Hi, uh, today I'm gonna show you how the police NYPD how they fraud on people. So I got speeding ticket in 278 Expressway with Broadly Avenue. As you see here, my car is the slowest car in the road. And after I reach to the court, the judge say I'm guilty. So right now I'm gonna show you how the police is frauding on people. There is no justice. Okay? In this video, you see me, I'm driving in right lane behind the truck, and and as you see, the truck is slow down. So I changed the lane and I was driving in middle lane. And right now you're gonna see two cars is coming very fast than me. Okay? The police officer car is coming from the highway entrance. So his position is not a good position to take anybody or to decide which car is speeding. So now he slowed down and he tried to go behind me. Then he pulled me over and he gave me a speeding ticket 71 mile on 50 mile. The police officer issued the ticket at Broadly with 278 Expressway. As you see right now, Broadly Avenue at point 2, as per the screenshot. The police officer is access to the road 278 Expressway from point 3. The police officer pulled me over at point 4. I'm gonna talk about point 1 later on. Now I'm gonna show you the speed tracking in my camera. So my camera is generating the speed when the video is recording. So what we need to do right now was match the time on the screen of the video with the time of the report. So I'm gonna submit many reports, like every 5 seconds or 10 seconds is a report issued the speed. So now I'm gonna show you the police officer lie again. So first lie, police officer lie about speed limit. Second lie, the police officer lie about location. As he said, he catch me in Broadly Avenue, and he was not there in Broadly Avenue. And here is screenshot about Broadly Avenue, show the police officer was not there. After I submit all this evidence at the court and I submit the map, the police officer changed his story and he say he catch me in point 1 and I don't have a map for point 1 at this time because the ticket is not mentioned for point 1. Point 1 is Willow Avenue. And after I review this issue, I can show you also the police's lie. In this video, I'm gonna show you from the first second I accessed to 278 Expressway until Willow Avenue. There is one car is very fast than me and passed me. And after that, we stuck in construction area and we was going in one lane. And there is no way to go for 70 mile per hour or 71 mile per hour. And the second issue is the police officer was not there. If you check the video and picture, the police officer was not there. So he lied again about location. So I'm gonna show you everything in details. So now I'm gonna show you how to calculate the speed using the physics, because sometimes the police refuse to take the speed tracker. So the physics say speed equal mile divided by time. So if I want to calculate the speed, I need to know the miles and the time. And as per the video, so the first video I accessed the road is 57:55, and I stopped at 1 o'clock and 1 second. So that means it's 2 minutes and 6 seconds. So if I want to calculate this one, I want to convert to seconds, so 126 seconds. So right now I want to check the miles. I check the miles as per Google Map. The miles is 1.4 miles. So right now, if I want to calculate the miles divided by the time, I will get the speed. So 1.4 divided 126 seconds. So the result is 0.0111 miles per second. If I want to convert this result to minute, I will multiply this result to 60. So 0.0111 multiply 60, it will be 0.6667 miles per minute. And if I want to convert it to hourly, so I need to multiply again into 60. So after I multiply again, it's 0.6667 into 60 equal 40 miles per hour. So my average speed limit is 40 miles per hour. This is the first issue. Second issue, I'm gonna show you as per Google GPS, it's showing if I go with a speed limit, it's mean 50 miles per hour, I need to reach from point 1 to point 2 in 1 minute, maybe some seconds. As per my calculation, I take 2 minutes and 6 seconds. That means I waste more time. So it's impossible to drive 1 mile per hour, because if you drive slow, so you will take more time and you will reach late. That's what happened with me. So that means the officer lied again about the speed using the physics. I'm not using any calculation, I just use physics. So after all of this proofs and evidence I submitted, I found guilty by the court, and I didn't get my right. And right now I'm doing appeal. But I did a complaint in internal affair asking about the location of the officer and the time of the radar, what time exactly the radar catch me, and the location of the police officer. And they refused to give me this information, and they refused to discuss that. And after all the evidence I submit, they didn't reply to my complaint. And even the supervisor, he refused to reply to my complaint. He told me, I cannot do anything for you, you need to go to court. And they supposed to take action against that officer. This officer stopped me and give me a ticket for speed. Maybe next time he gonna stop your wife, your sister, and he say he found drugs, and he found like a weapon inside your car, and maybe they make up a lot of problem to you. So we need to stop this fraud people. I catch one by evidence, by everything. I need to get the rights, just the rights. So my request right now, I'm gonna submit a hashtag for sharing, for everybody want to support me, because these people, they put 6 points on my driver license. I'm working as an Uber driver, and that's gonna make suspension to my license, because in New York, if you got 6 points, your license will be suspended. Second issue, I need to suing this police officer, and no lawyer accepting my case. However, my case like a son. I have all the evidence, all the proof this police officer is lying and cheating. It's very easy. So I'm asking your support. If you can support me for a lawyer, and any lawyer can take my case, that will be helpful. But if there is no lawyer accepting to take my case, I'm gonna do a next step. I'm gonna ask for some people can help me financially to hire a lawyer, because I see if you want to hire a lawyer to sue somebody for that, it's gonna cost a lot of money, and I don't have all this money. And the government didn't help us to take our right. The government give the access to the police officer to do all this stuff without judgment, without any investigations, without any problem. So they destroy their life, our life, and I don't have any access to do anything. I just submit complaint, and the complaint like nothing. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your help. I appreciate everyone can help me to share this video and make my voice reach to many people as I can. Thank you so much.